antenna, phone, data supply, service and install. Hervey Bay. This opportunity offers the freedom and flexibility of a mobile business, plus great potential in a fast-growing region. Covering Hervey Bay and Wide Bay, Bay Antenna and Cabling Service has successfully traded for over 22 years. The business supplies and installs TV antennas, telephone and data cabling, and offers a strong consistent income with low overheads. The current owner operates Monday to Friday, leaving the weekends free to enjoy this fabulous lifestyle destination. Fully licensed and accredited, the business services residents, real estate agencies, builders, and word-of-mouth referrals. The Hervey Bay region population is growing at around 1.2% annually, with more than 19,000 new residents expected by 2041. Bay Antenna and Cabling will benefit from this growth, installing cabling to new houses and digital antenna systems to commercial premises. The buyer could expand the business or add on to another business to boost their existing clientele and services. The chance to acquire a successful small business in a sought-after destination is rare, so be quick to make your offer.